Hey guys, welcome back to my channel after a long time. I know I haven't been uploading videos since quite a long time because I was not getting much time. But today I have a big update that tomorrow I am leaving for a long ride with my RS457. There will be other two riders who will be joining with me. But because this is the monsoon season, I wanted to protect the back, and you know the RS457 does not have any mudguard. So what I did was I installed a aftermarket mudguard, and that's the reason why I wanted to give you this update. As you can see, there is a mudguard which is installed on this bike, and this mudguard is an aftermarket accessory that I have purchased, and this is like a universal mudguard which can be fitted on any bike. Though it is not a high quality product, but it will definitely do the job. I will have to see how it performs while I am on the long ride, but yeah, definitely it will protect the luggage and the back of the motorcycle when I am touring. So the major challenge if you don't have the mudguard is that all the mud and the slush directly comes onto the rear seat, and that is not a good experience when you have so much luggage mounted on your bike. So that is the reason why I went ahead and installed the mudguard on this bike. Next thing that I have done on my RS457 is I have installed a custom spool over here for the paddock stand. As you can see, this spool is custom made, and this was not available in the market. So the usual spools that you get with other super bikes or the KTM's, that size is a bigger size, and that was not fitting in this bike. So my uncle, he owns a factory where there are CNC machines and all, so I asked him to make a spool of this dimension, and he got it for me. So now you can see I have purchased this paddock stand from Amazon, and this spool is perfectly working with the paddock stand, and I don't have any issue rotating the wheel of the motorcycle. I can give you a 360-degree view of the paddock stand, how it looks. So as you can see, this paddock stand is looking very beautiful on this bike. Even the mudguard does not look very awkward. I will have to test it how it performs on the highway trip. So now I will show you what all things I am taking on the long ride, and the coming videos will be of the long ride that I am going. So yeah, I'll see you at home, and I'll show you what are the different accessories that I'm taking on this trip. Right now it is 11:20 p.m. in the night, and tomorrow morning I am leaving for the ride with my RS457, and this will be the first long ride since the time I have purchased this bike, because it was peak summer season and now the rainy season has arrived. So I am leaving with my RS457. There will be two other riders who will be joining with me. I will introduce them to you in the video tomorrow, but in this video I will talk about my preparation about this ride and what are the things that I am taking for this long trip. So it is going to be a 1 week long trip where I'll be covering around 2 to 3 different places, not many kilometers, but it will be around 1500 kilometers of a round trip. So first thing that I'll show you is my riding boots. So these are my new riding boots. This is from Orazo. I have purchased this like day before yesterday only, and as you can see, these riding boots are not high ankle riding boots, but these are short riding boots, and this is completely waterproof. I will have to use this and see how it performs in this long, and it costed me 6,000 rupees for these boots. Next, I want to show you my riding pants. So I have purchased these riding pants. This is from Rida, and it costed me 7,000 rupees. And this is a large size riding pant that I have taken. Let me wear it and show you how it looks like. As you can see, I am wearing this riding pant. So this riding pant has a protection on the knee, and also has protection on the thighs over here and here, and it also has a tailbone protector over here. It will protect the tailbone in case of a crash. And previously I used to use uh, these knee guards on my long trips, but this is the first time that I am wearing a riding pant. Previously I used to wear a jeans and then protect my knees with this. Problem that I used to face is these were very much uncomfortable, and the riding pants, it is very much comfortable. So this will be my first experience with the riding pant. I'll keep sharing what is the first ride experience with all these new gears. New gear is like. Also, I forgot to mention the price of this pant. So this costed me 7,000 rupees, and there are pockets over here. There is a chain zip kind of a thing over here, and also there is a velcro pocket where I can keep stuff while riding. This will be handy for the stuffs which I need while riding. So this is very good, and I liked it. There is also adjustment over here, as you can see, so I can adjust it according to my size of my knee, and these knee protectors are fitting very nicely. Next, I wanted to show you about this Vitara saddle bag. So this is not a saddle bag, but this is kept directly on the rear seat of the bike. So this has a capacity of 45 liters and it costed around 4,300 rupees. I will not mount this on my bike. This will be mounted on the Adventure 390 because that has a lot of space. So on my bike I'll have a small backpack and this will be mounted on the Adventure 390. And also apart from this, I have this tank bag. I haven't purchased it recently. This is there with me since a long time. So this is from Guardian Gears, and even this one I will not be able to use it on my bike because I don't have a metal tank. So previously I had a Duke 390 and these are metal grips, magnetic grips which I used to grip it on my tank, but because the RS457 does not have a metal tank, I will not be able to use it. So what I have planned is I have kept my things in this bike and this will be directly mounted on the Adventure 390 where we will use these straps to tie it to the bike. Apart from that, the last thing is the riding jacket. So this is my very old riding jacket. This is since the time I purchased the Duke 390 back in 2017. So this is Rhinox Tornado Pro, and this is a very old jacket but does the job even now. I hardly use it on my long rides, like once or twice in a year. So I didn't feel like I had to upgrade my riding jacket. But definitely, if time comes for the upcoming rides, I would like to buy a new riding jacket. But as of now, this jacket will be my companion. So yeah, this was the video that I wanted to make before leaving for this long ride, and I hope to have a nice time with the RS457 because this will be the first ride. And you guys have to keep subscribed to my channel, keep following for more content. I'll be uploading series of videos about this new travel journey that I'm making with the RS457. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.